Trimming the weld cable for both linoleum and PVC floor coverings should always be done in 2 stages. The first stage should be carried out whilst the weld cable is still warm, using a spatula and slide plate or a Mozart trimming knife with the spacer left in place. The final trim should not be carried out until the weld has reached room temperature. This is carried out using a spatula or Mozart trimming knife without the spacer. Trimming the cable while still warm could result in dishing as it shrinks on cooling. This may not be immediately obvious, but will become more evident in use when dirt builds up in the welded seam. This image summarises the sections in this video. In this case, the temperature shown is for welding linoleum.